قال رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم: بني الإسلام على 5: شهادة أن لا إله إلا الله وأن محمدا رسول الله، وإقام الصلاة، وإيتاء الزكاة، وصوم رمضان، وحج البيت لمن استطاع إليه سبيلا. صدق رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم.
Welcome to Learn English with Iman Mohamed. In this lesson, we will learn about the 5 pillars of Islam, the foundation of every Muslim's faith and life. These pillars teach us how to worship Allah, live with purpose, and show kindness to others. The 5 pillars of Islam. Islam is built on 5 main pillars. These pillars are the foundation of a Muslim's faith and daily life. They guide Muslims on how to worship Allah and live a good, meaningful life. Shahada, faith. The first pillar is the declaration of faith. A Muslim says, "There is no God but Allah, and Muhammad is his final messenger." This means believing that Allah is the only God and that Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, is his final messenger. Salah, prayer. The second pillar is prayer. Muslims pray 5 times every day, at dawn, noon, afternoon, sunset, and night. Prayer connects Muslims with Allah and reminds them to stay humble and thankful. Zakat, charity. The third pillar is giving charity to the poor. Muslims give a small part of their wealth every year to help those in need. Zakat teaches kindness, generosity, and caring for others. Psalm, fasting in Ramadan. The 4th pillar is fasting during the month of Ramadan. Muslims fast from sunrise to sunset. They do not eat or drink during the day. Fasting helps Muslims feel closer to Allah and understand the struggles of the poor. Hajj, the pilgrimage to Mecca. The 5th pillar is the pilgrimage to Mecca. Every Muslim who is able must go to Mecca at least once in their lifetime. During Hajj, Muslims from all over the world come together as equals to worship Allah. Conclusion. The 5 pillars of Islam are more than just acts of worship, they are a way of life. They guide Muslims to be faithful, patient, generous, and united. By following these pillars, Muslims strengthen their relationship with Allah and spread peace and goodness in the world.